So, I'm ready to sail to Majuro, Marshall Islands from Honolulu, Oahu, Hawaii. I've been here now over 3 months. So I've got like sort of a rental agreement going on with his boat. I'm completely responsible for it. He's signed over temporary command of the vessel to me. Yeah, I have a 2,000 mile, pretty much straight route, no land to the Marshall Islands. I'll come close to Johnston Atoll, but I'm supposed to stay away from that because it's not only a toxic waste dump, chemical warfare dump, but also it's been turned into a wildlife refuge. So you're not supposed to go near that unless you're in an emergency. Hopefully I won't have an emergency. Feeling pretty good about it. I feel like this boat, I know this boat well. I'm most concerned about getting out of this harbor. I'm gonna give that a go tomorrow morning. I have some help, so I feel good about that. Having an extra hand on board will be nice, just in case something happens. Here we go. You may be curious why I haven't left harbor yet, and you may be thinking I'm getting cold feet or something like that, and although I am quite nervous, that's not the reason I'm sticking around. I'm sticking around because I just felt like sticking around, and I have a day to relax a bit more and just go over all the systems on my boat and think about the boat being upside down, which is a really good thing to think about when you're going out to sea, because the ocean can throw you all over the place. Now, that glass jar would smash off the ceiling, so that's really not a good thing. These things right here, these might fall upside down, but it's only tortilla chips, so no big deal. Got some lemons over there. This right here, my emergency grab bag in case I have to leave the boat and hop in the life raft. I've got lots of food and supplies and radio and even a little solar charger for electronics. And also, as a last resort, I do have this thing, the EPIRB, emergency position indicating rescue beacon. Yeah, I flick that on and sends out an emergency signal. Very much last resort. Setting sail on Dolce. Got Reese here to help me out. He's gonna just help me get out of the harbor and then hop on the waves and boogie board back in. The wind is light, gusting a bit, not in the great direction. I'm gonna give it a go here pretty soon, I think, though. The Marshall Islands. Oh. Okay.
I think you're all right.
You guys are acting fast. I wasn't ready. Yeah, if you want to just tighten that around the, or pull it with you as you go for the bow. Yeah, I'll be fending her off here. There's no wind. Yeah, you can let go. All right, watch yourself. Just dragging. Dead headwind. Alright, you want to raise the main? Thank you! Adios! Where's that wind?
That's a nice sail, dude.
Yeah, it's blowing over there on those flags.
No turning back.
Alright, we got this jibe coming up.
Alright. You want me to get the jib?
Yeah, if you get the jib, I'll loosen it on this side.
Damn, bro. Hey, so it's called a
Boat, though.
It'll be fine. Let's stay out of your way. I'd hug it on the left side, dude. Of the
Yeah.
channel,
Yeah, I'm going to.
just in case, you know. So it's called a routes of change.
That's a change. What are you doing, mate? Stay with me now.
Yeah, I'll look you up online, man. I guess you won't be posting that video for a month and stuff. Man.
You ready?
Sure, man.
Attacking! Pull it through, watch your head, watch your head.
Yeah.
Come on, pull it, pull it. Pull it. Keep pulling, just pull it. There you go. You good. If you hold this mast out, go boom.
It's not too late to turn back, Marcus.
Oh, it's way too late.
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Not at all. There we go.
What is that? Is that Russian?
It's a Finnish name, but I'm Estonian. My dad was born in Estonia. Pukonen in Hawaiian means tough, brave, and strange.
Kona. Hey,
Love you! Take care!
where do you want me to put this guy?
You can leave her in there for now, on the winch. Okay, just in case, I may still need you to get in the water and swim the boat away from these rocks.
Oh, yeah. I'll hang on. I'll do it. Yeah, you definitely won't drift into those rocks.
Well, the wind's gonna not push me that way.
Yeah, if anything, you're gonna drift into
Yeah.
these guys. Quite an honor. to be able
Just
to-
a bit stressed. You were the perfect person to have on board.
Oh, I'm glad I come up, dude. Honestly, I was a little worried about it. I felt fine with the pull across the channel, but I was a tight squeeze, you know, the wind was like,
The wind died like completely right as we were in that spot. Yeah, I think I got the wind from here, so we can hop in. Oh, what just happened?
Yeah, I'll stay in, dude, until you're over by that next one.
You can catch the outside setting. All right. Yeah, if you wanna hop off, I think I'm good here.
Good luck,
Thank you.
for real, dude. I'll look you up online, actually.
Yeah, man. I hope I run into you again sometime.
Yeah, alright. Good luck with everything.
Cheers.
Shoots.
Shoots. doing it. I am doing it. I can't believe it. I am sailing solo to the Marshall Islands.